Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows desktop is not auto-refreshing. So it should auto-refresh whenever you make changes to it. However, if you notice it's not happening and instead you actually have to right-click on your desktop and refresh it, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would suggest doing would be to right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the search name field at the top, search for Windows Explorer. Locate that underneath Windows Processes. Right-click on it and select Restart. Give that a moment. And then hopefully this pointer issue should have been resolved. If not, you can type into the search menu File Explorer Options and go ahead and open that up. The General tab it should take you to here. There should be an area that says Restore Defaults. Go ahead and select that and then select Apply and OK. One final thing too we can look at, if you right click on the desktop and select Personalize, select Themes, and then scroll down underneath Related Settings, Desktop Icon Settings, open that up, select Restore Default, and then select OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.